Contour placements that replace surgery and transform your face.
If you have a long pointy nose, this one's for you. All you need is to draw a line in the front of your nose, not a triangle, and then across the nose. This is the short and lifted nose hack that replaces rhinoplasty. The slim face contour, one of my favorites for a fuller face. Don't go all the way down to your cheekbone. That's actually not gonna help us out. Only go halfway. Blend upwards, blend inwards, and then you're gonna blend everything downwards. The way you blend really matters and creates shape and chisel. Who needs face surgery when you have makeup and me as your makeup teacher? The model face contour is all about the lifted eye, the chiseled cheekbone, and it replaces filler in the cheekbone, replaces buccal fat surgery. It gives the illusion of a higher cheekbone, a chiseled jawline, lifted eyes. You're a model. You need to be walking the runway after you do this contour. Oval underlining, the new way of lining your lips. So you go over the middle of your lip on top and bottom, and then you go inside the lip line on the sides. Add some gloss, instantly fuller, natural looking lips.